20K. That's 20,000 individual people who are part of this community. It blows my mind to realize how much this channel has grown in just a little bit over a year. And so I want to give thanks to the people who I really owe it to, and that's you guys. Without you guys, we wouldn't have this positive environment, learning together and moving forwards as photographers and filmmakers. And in honor of this occasion, I want to give you 3 tips on how to grow your own channel. So tip number 1 is consistency. I know consistency isn't the most sexiest tip out there, but when it comes to creating content consistently, that's what's gonna really help you grow your channel. Last year, I made a total of 46 videos. That means I consistently created almost a video per week. There was a few weeks where I was a little bit burnt out, or I was traveling and it just made it impossible to create a video, but pretty much every single week, I was able to put out 1 video consistently. That means 88% of the time, I was able to consistently put out a video each week. And I think of it like your favorite show. Imagine one week your episode doesn't come out, you'd be so upset. And it's the same with your YouTube channel. Your audience is expecting a video every single week or a certain time of the week, and so if you're not putting out that time of week, people are gonna be upset. People are waiting for you to put content out. So that's why consistency is so key when you're growing your channel. Tip number 2 is collaborate. I don't know about you guys, but I'm a huge extrovert and I love being with people, and there's no better way to grow your channel than to collaborate with other photographers, filmmakers, and YouTube content creators. One of the things I've loved most about my YouTube channel is the opportunity to meet new people. Just in last year, I was able to make friends with Marcus and Kim in Norway. I met with Leon in Switzerland. I met Konstapunka here in Finland. And then I had Daniel Schiffer and I did a video last November in Toronto. So through the channel, I've been able to meet so many people around the world, and it's been amazing to collaborate. Not only is meeting new people amazing, but as well when you collaborate with someone else, it expands your reach of your audience. Because all of a sudden, when I create a video with someone else and they create a video of me, my audience is exposed to their audience and their audience is exposed to my audience. So it's a great way to grow your channel by collaborating with other YouTube content creators. Another perk of collaborating is it's way easier to get content and it's much more enjoyable. I don't know about you, but for myself, it's really hard sometimes to go out and film by myself, but if I have a friend along with me, not only do we have more of a good time together, but as well we get way better content. So if you haven't yet collaborated with any other creatives, make sure you get out there and collaborate and work with other people. It's gonna make your channel grow. Tip number 3, create content that people are gonna enjoy and benefit from. I can guarantee you if you're creating content that's really enjoyable to watch and as well people are benefiting from it, it's a double whammy. Your channel is gonna grow. People are gonna wanna come back and watch your videos week in and week out because they love it and they're learning from it. So when you're brainstorming ideas for your channel, make sure that the videos are not only fun, but as well informational, because people are gonna wanna come back then and watch and learn. For example, on my channel, I'm always trying to give away my photography and filmmaking knowledge so that you guys can learn from my channel. But as well, I'm trying to make it fun. I'm trying to show my everyday life, trying to show my trips behind the scenes, because it's enjoyable and fun to watch. Alright guys, so that's 3 tips on how to grow your channel. Hopefully these will help you guys move forwards and grow your channel. And I want to say once again, thank you guys. Without you, this channel would not be around. And if you haven't heard, we're having a 20K giveaway right now, and in 10 days, the winner will be revealed. The winner is going to be getting the 120D light from Aperture and the Light Dome Mini, which is the perfect YouTube studio light. In order to participate in the contest, you just gotta click the link below and enter into the contest, and you might just be the winner. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. We've reached 20K, what a milestone, but on to the next goal. Here we go.